Hello from Delhi, and I'm going to go to Qutub Minar today. This place is Malviya Nagar, and down that road you'll find a lot of embassies. So this is the way to go to Hojka station, and Qutub Minar is actually a station by itself, which is like 3 stations down the yellow line, which is sort of like the main line that runs between North and South Delhi. So that is the ticket counter there, and this is the Qutub Minar, and we are actually here. So this is the other side of the road. You enter from here and you walk all the way around this place and you reach up here.
Once you get your tickets, you cross this busy road and get in line for the security check. The entry fee is 35 rupees for Indian citizens and 550 rupees for foreigners. And by the way, this is what the ticket looks like. Let's start our tour with a little bit of a history about this place and the reason why we are here. If you already know about the history of the Qutub Minar, you can use the timestamp in the timeline and move to the next part. The Qutub Minar is a minaret tower and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which stands as a symbol of the country's magnificent, rich and diverse history. The construction began in 1192 AD under the direction of Qutb al-Din Aibak, the founder of the Mamluk dynasty in India. However, Aibak could only complete the first story of the Minar before his death in 1210, and his successors continued the construction.
Now you could actually choose to get a guide here, or they're going to charge you something around 150 or something like that. I'm just going to do a quick walk around this place and sort of just check it on a very small scale, because I have to go to one more place called as the Garden of Five Senses, which is not too far from here. Just to get a private tour or a guided tour, like a group tour like that, you've got a couple of things here. Major Smith's Cupola, Sundial, Imam Zamin's tomb, and Alai Darwaza.
The construction of the Qutub Minar marked the establishment of the Muslim rule in northern India after the Hindu Rajput king Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated in the Second Battle of Tarin. The base of the Qutub Minar has a diameter of 14 meters and it gradually narrows down to 2.7 meters on the top, and the total height is 73.5 meters. This makes the Qutub Minar the largest minaret in the world, constructed by bricks. The outside is decorated with intricate carvings, including Quranic inscriptions, floral motifs, and geometric patterns. Also lying here is the tomb of the third Mamluk Sultan, Iltutmish, and the second and the most famous Sultan of the Khilji dynasty, Alauddin Khilji. The Qutub Minar is not just a historical monument, but it's a cultural icon as well. There are 379 steps inside the minaret, which will take you all the way to the top. But due to accidents, the entry to the public has been restricted since the year 2000.
The engravings are really detailed.
Let's go and see the tomb of Alauddin Khilji, which is located in an ancient madrasa.
Alright, that was the end of our tour of the Qutub Minar. I'm just gonna go to another place called as the Garden of Five Senses, which is not too far away from here. So I'll see you there.